With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. So here we are given that the column 1 and column 2 contain 4 entries. We have to match the column 1 with column 2. Okay, they can also have the matching with same entries of column 2, one or more than. Okay, so here we have column 1 and here we have column 2. Okay, so if we see here it is given solid dispersed in solid, gas dispersed, solid. Okay, and here this side we are given with the classification of the colloids. It is the classification of colloids. Okay, it is the classification of the colloids on the basis of the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. Dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. Dispersion medium. Okay, so here if we talk about the dispersed phase is that the substance distributed. Okay, the substance which is distributed in the dispersion medium, substance which is dispersed, or we can say the distributed, and the dispersion medium is that in which the substance is dispersed, in which substance is dispersed. Okay, so here our dispersed phase works like the solute. Like if we have the sugar solution in the in that the sugar works as the dis our solute and the solvent is our water. So similarly here we have is the solute similar to dispersed phase and dispersion medium is our solvent. Okay, it is for the just understanding. Okay, so here when we have the classification of colloids on the basis of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, then we have these types. Okay, now if we talk about the solid form, in the solid form what we have is the solid dispersed. Okay, in the case of solid form, sorry, let's here write down. First we have is the solid form. In the solid form, the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. Okay, in the solid form we have the dispersed phase is our gas, medium is the solid. Okay, and for this we have the example of the pumic stone. We have the example of pumic stone. Okay, next second one given to us, it means that here we have gas dispersed in the solid. Here we have is gas dispersed in the solid, so here it is solid in solid here. It means for the B we have P. Now the next is aerosol. Next is our aerosol. So here aerosol is name given to the two types. Okay, one, when we have the solid dispersed in the gas. Okay, for this we have the example of the smoke and the dust. And next is when the liquid is dispersed in the gas. When the liquid is dispersed in the gas, and for this we have the example of the clouds. For this we have the example of clouds. Okay, so now let's see whether solid is dispersed in gas or liquid is dispersed in gas. So here if we see here solid in solid, it is done solid dispersed in liquid solid. Here this. For this we have the Q. Now the next is solid soul. When we have the solid soul name is given for the classification when we have both faces our solid. Face is solid, medium is solid. And for this we have the example of the gemstones. Okay, it means that for the solid soul we have a solid dispersed in solid. Okay, we have a solid dispersed in solid. And the next is our soul. Okay, so soul is the name given when we have the solid. Okay, soul is the name given when we have solid dispersed in the liquid. Solid dispersed in the liquid. For this we have the example of the muddy water, or we can say the paints or the muddy water. Muddy water. Okay, so it means that here for this option C we have the S. Okay, so let's see our options. For the first, here it is given R P S Q. So this is our correct answer. This is our correct answer. That is the option number 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.